Okay, we're here in Garfield Bay. We're gonna take a little video of the 25 McGregor Venture, the boat we call Exit Plan, that we have for sale. A little rainy here today, but we'll walk on down here and take a look at her. As you can see, it has a little 9.9 Mariner outboard. Kind of rainy today. Kind of unusual for July. Okay, we'll go ahead and show you the motor here. Manual start. Usually starts first, second pull. I'll throw it in gear. You can see it. Good running little motor. That fuel line. Okay, hand me the camera there, Barbara. So that's inside the one deal there. We got the life jackets and the ladder and the anchor, and also that's where I stashed the key. The pop top. I put some gas powered struts on this, so it goes up easy and stays up. I'll show you here. Just get underneath of it. And it comes up, makes it easier to stand in here. Alright, okay, from inside here you can see towards the back, the solar panel. It comes in. There's the controller for it. Keeps the battery charges. We've got a fire extinguisher there. VHF radio. Works well. Has a depth finder and fish finder here. Let's see here. We got a shallow alarm reading because we're only in 6 feet of water. How do I clear that? There we go. 69-degree water, as you can see, but it's a little older, but good fish finder. It works really well. Goes down hundreds and hundreds of feet. We've been out here, and so I'll shut that off. There's the crank for the keel. It has a 60-inch, 800-pound keel that cranks up, so you'd only draw about 1.5 feet of water with it up all the way. There's the electrical panel. Back underneath here, you've got some oars. You've got the whisker pole, batteries back there. It's got the styrofoam back. It has styrofoam in the front and the back. This is a McGregor deal to make the boat actually positive buoyancy. I understand when they built these things, they took one out in the lake and drilled a 2-inch hole or something through the bottom of it to see if it would sink, and it fills with water up to so high, but never sank. This is a onboard battery charger that originally you just plug it in when you come in the yard and keep the batteries charged with. The solar power already does that. That's that same hatch I was showing you earlier with the life jackets in it. It's got the table and bench seating here. Over here you've got sink, and inside of this is a, I just have some water in there right now, but it's an ice cooler actually. Going forward, ouch, it's not supposed to bump your head. Going forward, there's the V berth. That's the jib sail and the jib bag there. We store it up there. It's hanked on. Comes with this porta potty here that usually sits straight, and toilet paper roll there. Under both these, well, it has this life ring here too. Underneath these, it has hatches both here and here for storage, as well as underneath here for storage. Gives you a little idea of the interior of the boat. Got a pretty good rainstorm right now, but well, that should give a pretty good idea. Those are the gas struts we put on. Used to have just a stick that stuck in here and down to there, but it was really awkward. This is really nice. Works really well. Anyway, you got a nice sail bag on it there. You can see from up above, it keeps UV problems with the sun. So it has three fire extinguishers. There's one there, one here, and I think there's another one somewhere. Signal flares there. Extra lines.
With that top up, so you know. So and how tall are you?
I'm 5'10". So with the top up, you know, it would go up higher, I suppose, but the struts are limited a little bit. But you don't have to screech all down to get inside of here. So it's got a main master keel on the battery, which I'll shut off here. Which shuts off the radio and shuts off this. Although the controller stays working, keeps the batteries charged. You could add another battery if you had more needs for power, but the one deep cycle battery is brand new in here, so that takes care of that pretty well. I don't know what else to show. It probably could use a little bit of cleaning up, a little dusty, but other than that, the boat's awful good shape inside. Looking for a new owner. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do what we had planned with this due to some health issues that have decided to pop up. So anyway, it comes with this berth here till the end of September, or has a trailer trailer's really nice. We could hook her up and tow it anywhere you want to go. So anyway, I think that pretty much concludes this little short video.